Okay, my YouTube people, my chopper with a Springer front end needs neck bearings. And for those of you who have never had a Springer, they need neck bearings way more often than a regular bike does. Seems like this one needs them about every 12 to 15,000 miles. On the other side, I did drill a hole and put a Zerk fitting in so that I can grease the front end. And I grease it a lot, but it doesn't seem to change the fact that it needs neck bearings more often. If you look, it still has fresh grease on it because I grease it regularly, and that just doesn't change how often these bearings wear out. With that being said, the last time I had to do these neck bearings, it was a challenge to get the lower race off of the neck. Most Harleys have a 1-inch neck stem. I'm guessing that this one happens to be in the neighborhood of about 8+ inches. So I saw someone who made a tool on the internet, and now I'm going to make my version of that tool, and wanted to give a video on what that tool looks like. In a later video, I'll use the tool to replace the neck bearings, but this video is just about the tool. So this piece of steel is 6 inches long. The cap adds about another 1.5 inches or so to that length. So that's going to put it at 7.5 inches. Now I get the feeling that's going to be really close. So I'm going to weld this extra piece to it. And then once I get the exact measurements with the neck off, I'll just take and cut this off. Now you can go, like I said, you could go to Home Depot and do this all in black pipe. You can have them cut this pipe length to the exact length that you need to do your motorcycle once you take it apart and measure it. Once this is all done, I'm going to tack weld this to the lower race that's on the neck stem, and then I'll turn the bolt in and use this bolt to pull that race off the inner neck. You want to center this the best you possibly can, which that's pretty centered right there. Now that I have it tacked, I'm going to weld it up, and you don't need to see that because I'm not that great of a welder. Okay, so there you have it. It's all welded up. Any of you welders out there, please go easy on me. It's Rap's Garage Shop, not Rap's Welding Shop. Anyhow, overall it's about 9.25 inches. There's at least 1/4 inch or better up here at the cap. So it's about 8 3/4. It'll cover, and then there's 1.25 inches of thread on this bolt, so about 1 inch it'll press down. Should go to 7 3/4. If that's too long, I'll cut this end off some and get it to the right length. I'll discuss that further in the next video when I'm actually using this. Thanks for watching. Please, you're getting all this information for free, hit the like button, subscribe. That helps my channel, and that ultimately helps you.